make some.
Hello YouTube land, pulling honey today. Got my trusty sidekick Paul, no shirt, shorts, he's got socks on. I couldn't tell you how many times I've been told that me working bees without a jacket is a stunt, a political statement, stupid. Well, I got a veil on today. Only because it's a little overcast and don't want to take a chance of getting stung in the face.
You only got 2 eyes, I want to keep them both.
Yeah, like Paul said, I've only got 2 eyes. I'd like to keep them both, but turkey feather, buzzard feather, greatest thing in the world. Them yellow bee brushes you buy at the bee store, or your mentor tells you to buy, use them on your table saw. Use them to clean up the table in the workshop. Don't ever bring them to the bee yard. What we're doing, if I did that with what we're doing, they would eat me and Paul alive. Oh, come on. And the propolis is thick in these colonies because I have Caucasian genetics running in this yard for the gentleness. Ah, come on. Propolis everywhere. Bees in the air, nobody getting stung. Going around pulling honey. You do not have to deal with mean genetics. Let's see. Have any? I'll just have to write on the lid that I owed this one three frames. Anyway, that's it. Plain and simple. You don't have to deal with mean bees. We're going to continue pulling honey. Like, subscribe, smash that like button, share it with your friends.
You got 2 of them.